Hi, and welcome to Inside CalSTRS Investments, an opportunity to see how members' contributions are invested for the benefit of all California educators. I'm here today with Chris Ailman, Chief Investment Officer. Hi, Chris.
Hi, Mike. Good to see you again.
So the end of the year returns are in. How did CalSTRS do?
In 2017, we had a great year. We earned 16.8% net, but everybody gets so focused on the one-year return. We're a very long-term investor, so I really want to emphasize the 30-year return, which was 8.7% net of costs. That's well above the actuarial rate we need to earn. And think about that, 30 years, you're going all the way back to the 80s. You have some really tough periods, the 01-02 internet meltdown, and obviously the 08 global financial crisis. So a 30-year period really shows this portfolio is designed to weather good times and tough times.
How do we do in some of the intermediary periods, the 3, 5, and 10?
Yeah, it's pretty interesting. Over 5 years, we've earned 10%, and then over 10 years, we've earned 5%. But the reason is that 10-year number picks up the very beginning of the global financial crisis. So you start with such a negative year. But what amazes me about the 5-year period is when you think back to after 08 and 09, people talked about the best we could hope for were low single-digit capital market returns. We've earned over 10% net. So pretty remarkable and a very strong recovery for the plan.
And these returns are net of fees, correct?
They are net of all fees. And in fact, we actually show all of our fees, the direct fees we write a check for, but also the indirect fees that people charge on our investments, or if they split profit sharing, their share of the profit. We do that every year in November at our November Investment Committee meeting, and the public can get access to that report and view it anytime. Go back to November of 2017 or even 16, and you can see that full report. We're actually one of the few funds in the whole country that does it across the entire portfolio.
So we're pioneers in disclosure.
The board really tries to emphasize transparency and disclosure, so we put a lot of information out there on the CalSTRS.com website. I really emphasize the teachers and our members to look at that because it has the most current information available.
Great. Well, Chris, thanks for joining us today.
It's been a pleasure, Mike, as always, and congratulations on your Philadelphia Eagles, Mike.
Thank you very much. It's an exciting time to be a Philadelphian. Fly, Eagles, fly. Thanks for joining us today.